Hey guys, Jay here and welcome back to the channel. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit the notifications bell to stay informed. So the conclusion of the XRP case between Ripple Labs and the SEC is expected to end this summer, which extends to September 21st. So Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse has indicated optimism that the verdict will be delivered before this date. Although there are chances for a settlement before the final judgment, it appears unlikely given Ripple's favourable position following recent legal victories. So legal experts also anticipate that the final ruling could be announced within 60 to 90 days following the submission of the last brief. So while there is a possibility for the case to conclude in August, I'm thinking it may extend into September depending on court proceedings and any other potential delays. But aside this, there's a lot of bullish news currently in circulation about XRP, SBI remit, the ETF prospects, and everything that's really going on surrounding that. And I was saying at the beginning of the video, the situation that's currently unfolding with the yen, and we'll get over to that more towards the end of the video. So some bullet points here for this article is Ripple nears the resolution of its lawsuit, with the SEC heralding a bullish future for XRP and suggesting an ETF launch by 2025. Large-scale investors purchase $84 million in XRP, fostering confidence as technical indicators reveal bullish momentum. Recent developments within Ripple and wider regulatory landscape hint at a significant price surge for XRP. So Ripple nears this resolution with the SEC a bullish outlook, the possibility of an XRP ETF by 2025. We'll be getting onto that shortly. And these indications of bullish confidence. But I personally think that there's been this trend line that has formed ever since that first substantial move upwards that XRP ever did. And since that point, it has set a pretty obvious trend line. So if you don't know who SBI Holdings are, SBI has partnered with Ripple since 2017 using the company's international money transfer system to facilitate cross-border transactions. In 2021, SBI Remit adopted XRP as a bridge within the Ripple payment system in 2021, the time in Japan that cryptocurrency served as a bridge between two different fiat currencies. So one advantage of XRP when it comes to remittances is the near lack of gas fees. Ripple utilizes a fixed transaction fee, which is pretty much negligible. Ripple fees are intentionally kept low so that banks can conduct large transactions on a daily basis. So now, if you didn't know who SBI Remit were and their connection to XRP themselves, you do now. We've got a lot of videos out there on the channel, so do go back and watch them. I'll leave links to those at the end of this video. So the ETF itself and the connection between the ETF, XRP, and SBI is pretty obvious at this point, and this article in itself does sum it up pretty well. So let's go over it. SBI Holdings plans to enter the US ETF market, sparking speculation of an XRP ETF due to its strong partnership with Ripple and digital asset focus. So this move has led to the speculation of a potential XRP ETF, given SBI's strong partnership with Ripple, a company that holds the largest share of XRP. So for instance, on July 1st, SBI Holdings began minting non-fungible tokens for the upcoming 2025 World Expo in Osaka, Japan. So SBI leaders have also consistently endorsed XRP. Now a local report reveals that SBI Holdings plans to establish an investment management company with Franklin Templeton, a major US investment firm, and this new venture will focus on digital assets, with SBI holding a 51% stake and Franklin Templeton a 49% stake. The new company from SBI Holdings and Franklin Templeton, expected to form by the end of the year, will focus on crypto assets, reports suggest. So the fact that XRP is at the forefront of nearly everything SBI are doing, it's going to be very interesting to see how this ETF could possibly tie into it. So there's a lot of different people that are saying the ETFs make sense, as mentioned here in this article. But what I found more interesting was the fact that 21 Shares themselves are saying that launching an XRP ETF is part of its vision. So Hani Rashwan, the co-founder and CEO of 21 Shares, issues a bullish comment regarding the company's potential launch of a spot-based XRP ETF. Speaking in an interview with Paul Barron yesterday, Rashwan confirmed that launching a spot XRP ETF is part of the company's global vision. He made this known when quizzed about the company's delay in launching an XRP ETF, despite a federal court declaring the token a non-security. So 21 Shares are clearly bullish on XRP. And once again, XRP is outperforming the majority of the market currently. And what we've seen is a pretty substantial breakout. If you go from the bounce on that trend line, you push it up to the pinnacle of that push out, you're left with a 70% gain. And once again, bouncing on this trend line that I said formed around that first major pump that XRP ever saw. And since then, we've always come down and bounced on this trend line. So what we could be seeing here is that final bounce. Now, a lot of different articles talk about this triangle pattern that's been playing out, the longest bull flag in history. There's so many different things that surround this, but what I really think is that once again, Japan is where it has begun. Japan is what is probably going to be pushing XRP to the next level. And the fact that SBI Holdings have got a vested share and interest in XRP itself and wanting to see it become the new workhorse of the financial sector, it really does start to show. So just quickly, if you're wondering who 21 Shares are, they are the world's first and largest crypto ETP issuer. 21 Shares offers crypto investment products for institutional and retail investors with easy access through your broker, simple and safe. We can see that they've got a substantial amount of assets under their management with 43 ETPs listed, and they've been established since 2018. So the fact that they're talking about an XRP ETF, they're speaking out about it, they're helping to push the narrative, it's really starting to shift more focus onto crypto itself. So what we've seen recently is the yen making up a substantial amount of ground against the dollar. And there's a lot of people speculating that the dip in the market currently is down to this. So what I'm really seeing from this is crypto is becoming a major political tool that's used and utilized to garner support, garner interest in many different things. So I think moving forward, we're going to see a lot of pushing and a lot of pulling, but overall, we're just going to see crypto in the center of absolutely everything. So with the United States losing the central dominance that the dollar has held since World War II, really starts to push the idea of more fighting over the dominance that surrounds crypto. So these are really, really important points. I think things are going to be moving thick. I think they're going to be moving fast, and they're going to be happening really quick. And at any moment, this market could just turn around. So like I was saying, I've been increasing my XRP bag. I'm going to be liquidating a couple more positions. I'll do a video specifically letting everybody here know on the channel what I've gotten out of to get more into XRP. So you're up to date and you know what's going on and what I'm thinking currently. But aside that, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit the notifications bell to stay informed, and just stay safe, stay humble, stay aware. And as always, I'll catch you in the next one.